Hi, I'm David Myron, Editorial Director of CRM Magazine, Speech Tech Magazine, and SmartCustomerService.com. Joining me here today at our CRMevolution Speech Tech Customer Service Experience event are Volker Hildebrand, who's the Global Vice President at SAP Hybris, and Samir Patel, who is the Global Senior Vice President at Hybris as well. SAP Hybris. So, gentlemen, thank you for joining us. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having us.
So now you work on communities at SAP. How does that tie in to all of this?
So just by way of just some background there, right? We launched this is a 4-year-old business for SAP. We started this business around collaboration and communities 4 years ago, and we went after employee collaboration, employee communities first, right? We have about 34 million subscribers. We just announced last week.
Oh, wow.
And now last year we decided to start to look at customer communities, right? So we did employee first, and now we started to look at customer. And we've been thinking about this for 2 years, but the aha moment really began to happen about 2 years ago, when the big change was the very nature of products are changing, as we talked earlier. So again, there was no burning need for yet another community platform. But when you start to see the nature of the products changing and the amount of hand-holding required by end customers, you have to rethink commerce. It's not about communities. This is rethinking how people drive commerce. How do you support them through that process, whether through traditional support mechanisms or self-service and customer, right? So the product was built really to expand SAP Hybris' reach from the transaction to the customer journey, which is on both sides of the transaction. It's how do I get to the transaction, and how do I look after you after the transaction, right? And so today we're privileged to be able to say that when you look at buying customer experience as such from SAP, it truly expands beyond what we've otherwise been known for, which is the CRM transaction or the commerce transaction, but all those pieces actually come together, right? In the product, we have done what I said earlier, which is you will not be able to tell when you leave community and when you enter commerce. If you read inbound content marketing, for example, and you're done, you can buy right there. If you need to do some customer Q&A or read reviews, no problem, you'll be able to buy right there. These barriers are over because the customer never told us that they wanted to speak somewhere and buy somewhere else. No customer ever said that. And because at SAP, two benefits we've had. One is because we have such a heritage in commerce now with Hybris and in CRM, right? It's been easy for us to really start to help to reimagine what that combination of engagement and support has to actually be, right? And so the product is really about reimagining that whole customer journey, right? And engagement is a huge component of it, and now we have it.
Well, that sounds great. I mean, it's often difficult for large companies to turn to respond quickly to what's happening out there, and it looks like you guys have a lot going on.
Yeah, we do.
Kudos to you for all the recent innovation.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. This was great. Very informative.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.